Hiya, welcome to week 1 of Art Club with Daisy. This week I'm going to show you how to make a folding sketchbook, which over the next few weeks I'm going to show you how you can fill some different bits and pieces you can do to fill it. Folding sketchbooks are really good because you can either use just 1 page or 2 pages or 3 pages or 4 pages and so on. So they're really good. It gives them a little bit of flexibility and they're just a really fun and easy way of making a little sketchbook. all managed to have a go at making one of those, either using the cardboard or paper or any kind of paper that you've got, and hopefully I will see you next week when I can show you some different kind of things that you can do in your journal, your sketchbook, whatever you want to call it. Remember though, these are your things. You don't have to wait for me. If you want to get started before, you go for it. They're yours. See you next week. Bye.